3 apps to get virtual numbers on your Android phone or iOS. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get virtual numbers with the best apps. So first app is Numero eSIM. This app is one of the good apps that I actually tried and it works good and easy. The second one is called virtual SIM. It's also a virtual number that you can get real number from 38 countries, and you can get a trial version for free. And the last one, and the one of the best, is Wabi, virtual number for WhatsApp business. In this app you can get virtual numbers to use it on your WhatsApp easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.